Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can slow down audio in CapCut. So if you want to slow down only the audio but not the video, I'm going to show you how. So first, import your video to CapCut. So this is the original audio, and what you need to do is click on the video and extract the audio first. So just click on extract audio, and now click on the audio that you've already extracted, and then here go to speed, and then here you can just swipe the circle to the left to slow down the audio like so. Can see the audio has been slowed down, and you can just choose the speed that you want. But if you're done, just click on the check icon. So that's basically how you can slow down audio in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.